Because I just, get those days where you're just overwhelmed and you drive through the McDonald's drive-thru and they're like, "Can I take your order?" Well, it'd be nice if I had the time to even tell you. I'm totally exhausted. I'm nauseated. I'm 4 months pregnant. I've got a 15-month-old here screaming. Can you hear him? So it's nice that you live in the lap of luxury where you have time to ask those questions. I'm sorry, what were we talking about? Oh, what I want, I'm sorry. So, it's hard. I mean, even before you have the baby, it's hard because we had all these questions like, how are we going to discipline and what religion to teach and, where are we going to put it? Because, right? Because we live in this really small apartment and it's like when I say small, I mean like if my husband and I have 2 people over for dinner, one of us must leave. It's small. But we decided we wanted to have a family anyway. We were just going to do it. Doesn't matter. And thank God it was a boy. Because, boys don't care about the nursery. We didn't have to do a big whole theme. We just went with what was in the room. So we did coats and hangers. And... he doesn't care. You don't need a lot of room. You get all this stuff at the shower you don't even need, like a monitor. It's like, I never use the monitor, I just use the what do you call those things? The baby. Because like when you're in a small apartment, like it's like you're here, and then the baby is like right over, like right here. And then if your baby doesn't sleep at all, that's a lot of fun. I used to hate this, talk to women. I'm so tired. The baby only slept 5 hours. You want to tell them the whole story, you just can't even go into it. But so anyway, we started looking for a house so we could, get into a bigger place. This new baby's coming. Yeah, our houses are unbelievably expensive right now. I mean, it's atrocious. It's ridiculous. I mean, we found a nice neighborhood. We were in Watts, and we thought, you know what? These seem like nice people. Let's try it. No, but what happens is you see these houses and then you start going into denial about what you can afford, and the prices get higher and higher, and this happens all the time. My husband and I will walk into the bedroom and there'll be other people looking at the house and I'll be like, "You like this house? Okay, so do I. Okay, let's see. Right now, we live in an apartment. We pay $12.50 and we pretty much live paycheck to paycheck. Okay, if we got this house, it'd be $4,900 a month. I think we can do it. I mean, you just got fired and I don't work, but I mean, where there's a will, there's a way. Or then you get outbid by somebody because we like this house, we put an offer in and we got outbid because this family put down $300,000. How do you have $300,000? I mean, my husband and I, we've been saving for 10 years, and I told him yesterday, I said, "Listen, honey, we can take this $300. Invest, let's use it as leverage, as a bargaining tool for this house. Let them know we mean business." And anyway, now after this baby, I gotta get back into the corporate world. Thank God I was smart enough to get a degree before all this, in theater. And, I think it's going to help. Because last time I had this job as a receptionist at a law firm, and which represented celebrities, and I got fired because the celebrities thought I was making fun of them. And it's not that I was making fun of them, it's just that I pick up accents and dialects, really easily. So, like, I'd have my headset on and someone would call, like Drew Barrymore. Law offices. Oh, hey, Drew. Yeah, he is, but he's on the phone. You what? No, I can hear you. I just can't understand what you're saying. No, I'm saying I can understand you, okay? Okay, well, you don't have to get an attitude with me. I'm trying to help you. Okay, well, you're gonna have to hold. Thank you. Just a minute. Law offices. Hey, Penelope. Yes, he's on the phone. You.
No, you're not interrupting anything. I just don't know if you can come to the phone right now. Well, it's hard to understand you too. I just keep hearing banana something. Banana, I don't know.
So, anyway. But before I go, I really do have to tell you that my mom's favorite thing to do, again, she's 68, is go clubbing. And it has to be where there's black people. And that's not really the problem. It's just that if you're going to go to like a hip-hop club, you should probably make the distinction between how you dance there and then how you dance in like your jazz class from 1975. So, we walk into the club, and it's kind of like we're entering the cast party to the Wiz. And, but, I feel like I'm blending in, And then I see this, like, gorgeous black guy coming towards me, so I do just like what every white girl does. I just change my dance immediately. Just mix it up. And so I'm feeling like totally cool and everything, and then I catch a glimpse of my mother in the background. And it kind of takes the cool out of the moment for me. But, and I take her again, but she's a regular now on Soul Train, so she can't go. My name's Angela Hoover. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience.